y'all, Bitcoin Baili back with another video, probably the most important video yet. Today I'm going to be showing y'all how to set up recurring buys on the Coinbase app. It's really pretty simple, and let's jump in. So this should be pretty easy to follow along with. The first thing you're going to want to do is pull up your Coinbase app. Once you have the app pulled up, you can go ahead and click those two arrows that are on the bottom of the screen. Once you click those arrows that are on the bottom of the screen, it should give you an option to buy. Click buy, and it will bring up the page that shows all the assets that you can choose for the recurring buy. I'm going to choose Bitcoin. Now it's going to bring you to a page that shows the amount that you want to set the recurring buy to. And then it'll say one-time purchase on the bottom of that. So click one-time purchase, and once you do that, it'll give you an option to repeat the purchase daily, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. So whichever one works for you, click the one that works, and then you can go ahead and click preview buy. After you click preview buy, it should show you just a few of the details, and then if you're ready to go ahead and make that purchase, then you can click confirm buy. So guys, I think the recurring buys of $10 to $50 to $100 make investing that much easier. It's something that you don't have to think about. If you're looking for something that's a little more hands-off and long-term, I think this is something that you should try. If you want to get rid of the stress of time in the market, it's also a great feature. So try it out. Let us know what you think. Hold on. Kev, I'm in the middle of trying to film.
Hey, Bitcoin Baili, look, you're doing a fantastic job. You're doing a fantastic job. But y'all, just wanted to interrupt to let y'all know something. Y'all, what Bitcoin Baili is actually showing y'all is really important because it's an investing strategy called dollar cost averaging. So just understand, y'all, these markets, they're nuts. They're wild. You're never going to time them perfectly. Meaning that if you're buying Bitcoin, you're never going to buy perfectly at the bottom and it's only going to go up. So by dollar cost averaging, you're going to catch it somewhere in the middle. So like, let's say me, for example, I buy $50 worth of Bitcoin and $50 worth of Ethereum every week automatically, right? So Bitcoin and Ethereum goes up, goes down. I'm catching it in the middle. So after a year, my average price will be somewhere in the middle. So I should, in theory, be in profit. I have been thus far. So look, y'all, so it's a really important strategy, dollar cost averaging. These markets are crazy, and I want y'all to remember this quote. Time in the market always beats time in the market because you're never going to time the market. Anyway, y'all, I'm Classic Kev. That's Bitcoin Baili. Y'all, look, if you really want to thank Bitcoin Baili for making this video, her Coinbase referral link is going to be in the comments. If you sign up using Bitcoin Baili's referral link, you get $10 of free Bitcoin, and she gets $10 of free Bitcoin. Doesn't cost you anything to sign up. And Coinbase is a good beginner platform to use. A lot of different coin picks. It's safe. It's a publicly traded company. Anyway, y'all, this is not financial advice. Bitcoin Baili and I are not financial advisors. This is just entertainment purposes. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. I'm Classic Kev. I'm out. Peace.